Hey everybody, welcome to Tuesday Tips. Today we're going to be talking about batteries. Now, battery technology, no doubt, is the wave of the future. We see it everywhere in every aspect of our lives, but especially in our power tools. Now, RYOBI as a leader is also a leader in battery technology. Now, these batteries are incredibly smart, and there's a lot of tech built into them to optimize performance. Today, we're going to talk about the lithium-ion batteries as well as the high-performance lithium-ion batteries, what they are and what they're best used for. Now, today we're going to talk about the 1.5 amp hour, 2 amp hour, 4 amp hour, even 6 amp hour batteries. Now, if you don't know what an amp hour is, don't worry about it. The higher the number means the longer the runtime. So again, really easy to think about. All of these work with the same original form factor of the ONE+ system. It works with all those legacy tools and vice versa, making it really convenient. Another thing I really love about what RYOBI's done with their design. Now, these battery packs are also packed with that technology I was talking about. We'll first talk about cool core tech. Basically, all of the cool core tech in these batteries basically keep the battery cooler. Batteries don't like heat. As they get used, they heat up and then can decrease their performance. With cool core technology, RYOBI's batteries are optimized for longevity, which is what you want out of a battery-powered tool. All these batteries are equipped with advanced IntelliCell technology, which means these batteries are smarter, they last longer, and they deliver optimal performance to get the job done as efficiently as possible. I like to use the smaller 1.5 amp hour or 2 amp hour batteries when I'm doing things like nailing overhead. It reduces that weight and that fatigue on the upper body. Now, I use the larger amp hour batteries when I'm using something like a circular saw or even an impact driver, driving long fasteners multiple times throughout the day to avoid those extra battery changes. RYOBI has created the most innovative and powerful batteries to maximize the performance of all of our ONE+ tools, while also making sure they withstand all those demanding applications with a robust pack design that's made to last. These things are just rugged for every single application. I speak from experience, use these batteries every day, and I love just how rugged they are. All of these batteries also have a fuel gauge on the front, which is super convenient. When you have a battery, you want to know how much charge is left in it. By simply pushing the button on the front, it's going to have a high visibility LED that shows you how much runtime you have left. Now, the biggest difference between the traditional lithium-ion batteries and the high-performance models are the high-performance batteries have about 30% more power. Now, if you're one of those folks like me that use tools all day long or a lot of times during the day, I'd recommend looking into the high-performance lithium ions. These actually provide 30% more power and even more cooling than the traditional lithium ions. These things are absolute tanks. All right, guys, I hope this was insightful for you. Get the right battery to do the right job. RYOBI has it all. Make sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode of Tuesday Tips. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Tuesday Tips, a lot of DIY projects, even new product announcements. And let us know in the comments section below what you'd like to see next. We'll see you next episode.